Hey, so if you want to book flights using Booking.com, yeah, it's actually pretty simple because it works like a flight search engine plus booking system. In this guide, I'll show you how to book flights on Booking.com step by step in 2026. First, open Booking.com and go to the flights section. Now enter your departure city and where you want to travel. Select your departure date and return date if it's a round trip. Choose how many passengers are traveling, including adults, children, or infants. Click search to see all available flight options. Compare prices, airlines, duration, and layovers before selecting a flight. Use filters like price range, non-stop flights, or departure time to find the best option faster. Now choose the flight that matches your budget and schedule. Enter passenger names, passport details, and contact information carefully. Make the payment and confirm your booking. After booking, you'll receive a confirmation email with your flight details and ticket information. And yeah, that's it. That's how you book flights on Booking.com easily and safely.